Hello, good morning, friends. In today's session, we are going to solve this question. Okay, so this is the question about one study by Jin. They are studying the impact before and after the adoption. Okay, and they in that study they are concluding that the language used in the annual report acts as a barrier to investment for some investors, and that reporting in English reduces investors' information processing cost. Okay, and question is we have to list and explain three potential endogeneity problems. Okay, when drawing causal inference between adopting English and the capital market outcomes. Okay, so the answer for this first question is that three endogeneity problems. Okay, so first of all, the endogeneity problem can arise due to omitted variable, which is a relevant variable. Okay, so that is known as omitted variable bias. So correlated omitted variable bias may simultaneously impact the decision to adopt English and the outcome variables. Okay, so there may be some events which are related to adopting English as language in the annual report, or there might be some other related variables which have been deleted, which have been not adoption of an English annual report. Okay, and then next question is how can we address the identified endogeneity problems from econometrically? Okay, so for the first one, that omitted variable bias, we can take control group, so we can control for the confounding events and then find out the impact. Okay, that means in one regressor we'll include this confounding event, another will be not including that event, so it will basically unrestricted and restricted model. Okay, the next is for self-selection bias, we can do on propensity score matching, so that we can select some farms that is difference in difference design. Okay, so that's the B part done, A is done. Next is explain a general research design that employs difference in difference estimation. Okay, so difference in difference estimations, we can do that like this one. Okay, so you take a dummy variable, so economic consequence equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 into treatment plus beta 1 time. So you are having two treatment and time. Or treatment is an indicator variable. It is one for companies issuing an ARE and zero otherwise. Okay, and treatment and control groups, control farms are selected based on propensity score matching. Time is also an indicator variable equal to 1 for years including and after the first time adoption of an ARE. Okay, that means if the report was published in 2008, then the time period after 2008 and 2008 will be having the indicator 1 in this time variable. Okay, and before that it will be 0 before the adoption. And treatment time into time is an interactive dummy, and this is the difference in difference estimator. Okay, so the result, let's see the result. They have given us this result. Okay, this is the result. They have run the regression and they have found this. Okay, now interpret each coefficient. So find out this these values, these coefficients, you can see the p value is higher, right, higher than the significance level. So these are not statistically significant, right? The only thing that is statistically significant is the difference in difference estimator, that is less than the significance level. So this is the only statistically significant variable. Okay, now, and treatment companies have 4.7% more foreign owners compared to control companies relative to the pre-adoption period. And this difference is statistically significant. Okay, so treatment companies have 4.7% more foreign owners compared to control companies. Okay, so this data 1.5, 3.6, and 4.7, all of them have been given in this one. Okay, now you can see these are 0.015. So this is, they are multiplying these coefficients by 100 to get those values. Okay, so the negative sign in front of time is there. So how do you interpret that? So that is, control companies have 3.6% fewer foreign owners after adoption compared to before adoption. So you can see the foreign ownership is the dependent variable and these are the independent variable. Okay, so that's it for today, friends. We'll meet in the next video.